For more than 40 years, Gardner Bender has been manufacturing wire connectors for both the homeowner and the professional. These wire connectors are packaged right here in the States and ensure great connections every time. Our large assortment of connectors starts with the most popular WireGuard straight connectors. These, along with our WingGuard connectors, are made with a tough polypropylene housing and sharp square wire springs. Next, we have our hex lock connectors for easy installation using nut drivers and our GreyGardner for grounding applications. The Unilock collection, also known as the mini wing connectors for their small wings on each side, cover most residential and commercial applications with a softer nylon housing and a large wire range. WaterGuard connectors are designed to excel in interior and exterior connections that are exposed to damp, wet, or corrosive environments. Each connector is filled with a long-lasting silicone sealant that protects your electrical connections from severe environments. And for our last few, we have our high-temp connectors with expanded temperature ratings in both plastic and ceramic, and our pushguard connectors used for a quick and easy installation without twisting. Our wide selection of durable and innovative connectors were designed to fit every user's needs and preferences. Please visit our website for any questions you may have and look for Gardner Bender wire connectors in a store near you.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.